basically just solve it like you would solve 5 by 5 then 4 by 4. You just need to be a little bit more strategic about which one you do before and how you like to solve them in the order, because here is just one run, so I like to solve them big to little. That was like 3 minutes 38. I will take the time for doing all of those 4. And yeah, it's really about just what you prefer solving first.